Okay, so I hope that most of you have joined the lab, so we can start it now. Okay, so in the previous lab, we have discussed that within a week you need to decide your team and your problem definition, and before this lab, you need to make entry in the shared sheet. So I hope that you all have completed it. And in today's lab, what we will do, team-wise, any one teammate need to represent the problem, that is your problem definition, that which kind of issues or challenge you identified from community and society, and what you are going to do as a solution, and in your team who are the members, right? So these three things you need to just present a kind of brief intro on it. So again, repeating, three things you need to present team wise. Any one teammate can represent those things. First thing, who are there in your team? First, second, uh, what is the problem definition? Which things you have identified as a challenge or issue from society or community? That is the second thing. And the third thing is, as a solution, what you will do. Right, so these are the three things. So first of all, let me show you the things that we were discussing in the previous lab. Just a minute. Okay, so these are the things that we discussed in the previous lab. One thing I would like to add here, that all these things you need to submit it by all these things after getting approval for your problem definition. You need to preparing these things, and you need to start working on step 2, step 3, and all the things that you have to submit by 13th of July. I will create Google Classroom and you all need to submit here. And so, and on 14th July's lab and 21st July's lab, we will have the presentations only. And so these are the things that you need to do, and that we already discussed in the previous lab. And as we have discussed that by 22nd of June, you need to identify your problem definition and decide your team. And in today's lab, we are going to do this thing. And based on your this kind of representation or your intro of your problem definition, solution, and your team, I will give the approval, or I will ask you to modify it. If you are getting approval, then you can start with steps 2, step 3. Not sure about the step 2 because maybe possible that DE portal is not working right now. I'm not sure about it. You can check it out. I will contact the coordinator and I will inform you if it is not working right now. If it is working, you can directly register your problem definition and team. And parallelly, you can start working on all these things. That is mentioned in that PDF file also that you have seen in the previous lab. And let's start with this one. And we had also discussed that you need to identify problem definition which can be helpful to the people of community and society. So your problem definition, its domain must be community and society based kind of domain or definition. Application oriented definition will not be allowed as per the GDP. And this is the sheet where many students have made the entry according to the timeline that we have discussed. Many students are doing entry right now. So again, repeating one more thing that if you are doing the delay, then you will have to adjust. You will get very less time for preparing other things. And so that is the reason that I had requested you many times to follow those dates and timeline strictly. Again, repeating, please follow those dates and timelines strictly. Otherwise, you will get very less time to prepare all those things. And after that last lab, I'm not going to accept any kind of submission and presentation. So please strict follow those dates and timeline. So fine. So we will start team wise. Starting with Fanny's team.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Can I start?
Good morning. Yes, you can go ahead.
So in our team, it's I am Vartika, and we have Fanny and Avni. So we are actually focusing on for the societal issue. We are focusing on the problem surrounding like doctors' offices. So we're in a pandemic, right? So a lot of people cannot gather together. It's not safe. So even in cases where there's not a pandemic, it's not really safe to gather in a doctor's office. So we are thinking of to get a solution to that. We are thinking of making an app where doctors and patients and everyone can register, and you can book your appointment. And if you're not able to go personally to the office, you can also live chat on the app. So it will be helpful right now, especially in the pandemic, and in other cases too, if you can't physically go to an office.
Okay, Vatika, so many applications are there nowadays. Also, so many portals are there using which you can book appointment with doctors and you can do chattings and all those things. And it is a kind of application. It is not addressing any kind of society or community based issues. So it is kind of application oriented the definition. So I think you need to modify it. You need to again repeating one more thing that you all need to identify such a definition which can be helpful, directly helpful to the people of community and society. Or your definition should be addressing community and society based issues and challenges. This is a kind of application oriented definition, and so many applications are already available using which you can do all those things. And so you need to modify your definition. And we had discussed so many examples also in previous lab. You can go to it and refer the previous labs recording. We have discussed examples. I have given you few links also to get idea.
Okay, sir. We'll see.
Okay, fine. One more thing to those groups to whom I'm going to ask to modify the problem definition. They need to decide the problem definition by today 5 p.m. Fine. So by today 5 p.m., decide the new problem definition and send me a WhatsApp message regarding your problem definition along with solution. Fine. So any one teammate can send a message about your updated problem definition and solution. On the WhatsApp message, I will give you the approval whether it is proper or not. If I'm giving you the approval, you need to modify in this sheet. You need to modify your definition. And if I'm going to ask you to modify it again, then you need to modify it again, and you need to again update me regarding those updates. Right. So to those teams whom I'm asking to modify it, please modify it by today 5 p.m. and update. Send me a WhatsApp message with your problem definition, updated problem definition with new solution. Okay, so next team is of Devarsh. Anyone from Devarsh team? Anyone from Devarsh team? Here, Nisha. I think they are from CVET. Sorry for that. They are from batch C. Shubham's team.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. I think all the previous semester's definition is pending here.
Yes, sir.
So please fill it out and go ahead.
So we are three members in a team: Subham Goswami, Bhautik Namera, and I am Bhavin Movalia. Our project is about a fingerprint-based ATM. In ATM, we can see people who forgot their pins and
Okay,
some
just a minute,
robbery.
Bhavin. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes.
Before representing your definition, first of all,
Yes.
try to identify or try to explain which society or community-based issues or challenge you have observed. Fine. So I think your definition is not related to society or community-based issues.
Okay, sir.
It is again application-oriented definition. That was the reason, Bhavin and all of you, that in previous lab we discussed few examples also. Right. So please again decide the problem definition which is going to address or solve community or society-based issues and challenges. Right. So Bhavin,
Yes, sir.
your definition is again application-oriented definition. So you need to modify. Thank you so much, Bhavin.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Raj and team.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
In our team, there is me, Raj, and Kevin Cave, and our project is about handicrafts. Handicraft things are mostly made by poor people. So nowadays, poverty is very increased in India. Um, that's why our main target is to give chance to increase their business. We we will buy their handicraft things and we will sell in our website. We will give them one platform to show and increase talents like handicraft and all things. In our website, we sell only Indian products in the international market.
Okay, again, your definition is again online shopping portal kind of thing. Fine. So where you are just going to register, list out different items and you will sell it. So you are again you need to definition punch.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Your, your aim is to list out different items on that portal and sell it out, right? So it is just kind of online shopping portal. So I think you need to change it. Next is Path and team. I think they are from CBEST. Fine. Gaurav, Gaurav and team.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Good morning.
So our project name is Recommended System of the OTT platform, where OTT stands for the over-the-top platform, and in that we have an idea from our previous semester. Our previous semester's top definition was refreshment depth. So I think some problems that are occurring on that. So we make the project title as per that. And the observations that we had done is that we observed that sometimes students are depressed. So because of their pressure of study, then they want to watch good and motivated movie, but they can't find that at a time. So they can lead to they can take a harvest step in their life sometimes, and the best example is that Kota factory. And then second observation is we observe that the housewife have little time to entertain themselves, as they are very much busy in their day-to-day life, and usually they lose their most of the time in searching good movie or TV series for them. So if we provide them a better sequence or better series or better movie, they want to uh, they want to watch or they want to enjoy. So they can have uh, great and quality time, and there will be savings of time, internet data, and what can we say that searching time also can be saved. And the mainly users are will be our community, means working people, elderly and kids, housewives, students, faculties, lawyer, and
Gaurav, again, your application or your solution, the definition itself is a kind of application related definition. That is, nowadays, so many OTT platforms are available, and they are also giving us free.
sir. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay, sorry, I was disconnected. Yes, please continue.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I audible?
Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav, I
Sir,
was telling that the
yes,
definition
sir.
in many OTT platforms, I am getting the option to filter out the categories and all those things. And I can see whichever movies I want to see. I can just use those filters and categories.
Yes, sir. Sir, as per I mentioned that in our previous time we have made and refreshing that topic project. So in this session that we have concluded that we will try to engage sensor in our system that if the user sets the sensor, then suddenly the sensor senses the mode of the user and try to give all the types of the things that users like to do in that mode. So as I
Okay,
said,
again,
we have,
it is kind of entertainment related solution.
yes, sir. No, sir, but sir, yes, it's entertainment, but the main reason that community need entertainment, the main thing that the community needs is entertainment right now.
Yes, but it is again entertainment industry related thing, so it is not directly going to be helpful to the people of society and community. So, trying to identify definitions useful to the society and community based issues and challenges. I think it is
Okay,
totally
sir,
different. Fine, fine, fine.
okay, sir, I will, but can you help me out by suggesting someone, means
Yes, sure.
some topic?
First of all, yes, sure. First of all, refer the previous lab's recording. In that, we have discussed so many examples also, as well as I have given you few links also. First of all, go through those links. 99% you will get idea from those links and those examples. Still, if you don't find any kind of a topic or this kind of thing, then you can contact me.
Okay, sir, I will try my best.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yash and team, smart parking. From the definition title itself, I can say that you need to modify the definition
Okay.
because it is again of application oriented definition. It is not addressing any kind of society or community based issues. So you need to modify it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and Herschel and team. Anyone from Herschel's team? Anyone from Herschel's team?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you just first of all address that how your problem definition is going to address society or community based issues? That means which kind of
Yes,
challenges or
sir. Sir, in today's date, there are lakhs of admissions taken in Gujarat only. So we are planning to make a college inquiry chatbot which can answer all the questions related to any universities or colleges uh, which are asked by the students. So we do not have to visit the university or the college, and which can save our time. And also it's very risky in this situation to visit the university or the college.
Harshit, can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Sir, in today's time, there are lakhs of admissions which are done only in Gujarat. As a result, there are many students and parents which visits universities and colleges for inquiry and for questioning and many other reasons. So we are planning to make this college inquiry chatbot, which can answer all the questions which are asked by students or the parents. So they do not have to travel far, and it makes easy that process.
Okay, so you're going to prepare kind of chatbot which is going to be used by various students, and they can ask the queries regarding their admission, right? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir. Audible.
You? Harshil?
Sir, he is facing some network issues.
Okay, okay, fine, no issue. I think he has joined. Okay, Darshil, so your main purpose is students can directly use that chatbot, and they can get the answers regarding their admission process.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but that is also not addressing any kind of society or community-based issues. So it is just focusing on the students' admissions.
Yes.
How many seats are vacant in which college, and which kind of branches are there in which college? So this kind of queries will be there, and they can get the answers. And it is not addressing any social, community-based, society or community-based issues. So again, you also need to modify the definition. Okay, is there anyone who has not entered their entry in this sheet?
Yes, sir. My entry is left.
Please make the entry first, and then you can introduce your definition and solution and your team.
Okay, sir.
Just let me check. Let me check Vipul, just a minute. Okay, yes, you have made the entry by leaving few lines. So let me just share this a minute. Vipul, your definition from the title itself, I assume that it is just focusing on tourism business. So again,
Yes,
you
sir.
need to yes. So you also need to modify the definition, because it is not focusing on only society or community-based issues or challenges. It's focusing on tourism industry. So you also need to modify it. The next team is Naishargi and team.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, it's a kind of blood donation management system wherein we create an e-information about the donors and the hospitals or the organizations that are related to blood donating or blood donation. Uh, we are thinking of gathering information because like there are many problems where people face they do not get their blood type, or especially in local areas, right? So we're thinking of building such an management system which could easily provide blood to each and every part of India, or say Gujarat. Or
Okay, so the same definition is already selected. What different you are going to do in this project definition?
Like the donors can register, like we are thinking of building an app or a website obviously to maintain the entire system. So the donor can register themselves and they can provide their information. We'll keep the record, and whenever required, or if any patient or someone or the organization needs that particular blood type or that particular thing, then they will call the donor, and you'll have like on-time blood donation. Like they could donate it like whenever they required. We won't keep it in store and like the other things, but it will be real-time donation thing. Hello, sir.
I think the same definition is already taken, so you need to modify the definition.
Is it that we could add some more features and then it will be approved, or we completely need to change the project?
In the same kind of thing, so many other challenges are also faced. So you need to observe the whole process, uh, different kind of challenges and issues being faced by the laboratories, hospitals, and donors, and the receiver also. Observe all those things in detail and identify some different or unique, or you can say that the uncommon solution, or problem or issue or challenge, and then you can address it, you can solve it.
Okay,
But the
so
thing
we
that
have
you mentioned is and going to be addressed by the other group. Yes, please continue.
so we have another idea also, like a project, but we aren't sure enough. It's like a personal counseling thing.
Okay, again, it is related to mental health and all those things, right?
Yes, sir.
It's also already taken.
Okay, so no problem.
Okay, so either you can observe those that whole process, different challenges and issues being faced by all those different entities, like hospitals, donors, receivers, and all those things, or else you can modify the whole definition also. It is up to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Jay Prajapati. Jay Prajapati.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Your voice was not clear. Can you repeat?
Hello.
Yes, Jay.
So the most common use of plasma contributors includes individuals who have experienced severe trauma, burn, shock, or adults or children with cancer, and people with liver and clotting factor disorders. So the main goal of project is to mm, get easier access to plasma donor.
It is almost similar to the blood donation, right? Extraction will be
Specifically
different.
for yes.
They are just going to extract plasma from the blood. Otherwise, all the things are seen. So what will be the difference in your solution? Anybody can also contact the laboratories and they can get the plasma.
Yes, um, a patient can easily get the details of a donor.
In your solution, what will be there? What will be the different? So in blood donation kind of the thing that somebody has just represented. In blood donation and plasma donation, just the differences of extraction. They are just going to take the plasma from the blood. Otherwise,
Yes.
whether you want to find out blood donator or plasma donator, almost it is kind of similar functionalities and all those things. I think you need to modify it.
Okay.
Anybody left? In the presentation or selecting definition, anybody left? Fine, so I hope that most of you or all have done this task, and I have asked you to either modify it or you can continue with it. And to them whom I asked to modify, please update, send update on your new definition. Please send update on your new problem definition and its solution, detailed solution on WhatsApp me, and please do it before 5 p.m. today. So before 5 p.m. today, please send me WhatsApp message including your updated new selected problem definition and its solution, detailed solution. So that I already given to you in previous lab also. Just a minute, let me share it again. Just a minute. You can get it from this that we have discussed in previous lab also. Okay, Aditi is having one query that you had decided about making a team fingerprint money transfer, but okay, Aditi, it is again the kind of application-oriented definition. That definition, that is fingerprint money transfer, is not addressing any social or community-based issues or challenge. I hope I'm clear, Aditi. Okay, fine. So I hope you all had made the entry in the shared sheet, and fine, so we can go ahead. And again, repeating, those to whom I have asked to modify it, send WhatsApp message including your updated definition and detailed solution. I will approve it or ask to modify it. If I'm approving it, you can go with step 2, step 3. You can start working on it, start preparing different sheets, canvases, report, and all those things. And that we already discussed in previous lab also. That is already mentioned in that shared sheet. Right, so you can refer that shared sheet, that PDF file, not shared sheet. Let me show you that again. All these things, AIO, canvases, ideation, empathy canvas, PDC, all these things are mentioned in that PDF file. So if I'm approving it, please update that definition in this shared sheet, and you can start working on step 2, step 3. Go to this academics guidelines, 5th SEM DE, and here they have mentioned all the things that you have to submit, and all these things you are prepared in previous semester, but with different definition. Right, so how to prepare, which kind of things you need to include, all these things, you are aware of these things. Right, so these things you need to submit. Right, so please select them, those to whom I have asked to modify the definition. Please do that task that we have mentioned before 5 p.m. today.
Sir.
Yes, Gaurav.
Sir, can you please help me out?
Okay, for what?
Sir, I am confused in what to add features in my topic, a recommendation for OTT system. So can you help
That's what
me?
I'm saying. Gaurav, your definition is totally entertainment-based industries. So it is focusing on entertainment industry. It is just going to recommend different movies. Things. It is not addressing any society or community-based issues. So you need to modify the definition.
So I have to completely modify it.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, anybody else? Any query, any doubt? Fine. So in next lab, what we will do, by today itself, by end of day, again repeating, if you are having any kind of confusion that which kind of definition you need to choose, then refer previous labs recording that is already uploaded in YouTube. So you can refer it for getting kind of examples and ideas that which kind of definition you need to select, and make sure that whichever definition you're going to select, it must solve, address society or community based challenges and issues. Don't pick up definition which is application oriented or which is just a kind of information based platform. Based people or citizens should direct Okay, so I hope that no doubts are there. Okay, Gaurav is going to query that quote app can be built for our project. What is quote app? That is,
So
you are just going to
basically,
post
quote app.
different pots, motivational pots.
No, sir.
Then,
Sir, it is also interconnected with our previous same topic that the sensor will sense the mood, and according to that, the user's need, the quote will be provided, motivated, or means that the quote that can make the users more energetic.
okay, again, that is kind of different. It is not directly going to address any societal community issues.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vartika, prototype is a different thing. In this semester, you are not supposed to prepare the whole different website. Right? So in this semester, whole working website or whole working application is not required. You are only supposed to prepare those things which are mentioned in that PDF file. Find the same problem definition will be extended in next semester. Fine, so you can go to the guidelines of next semester also regarding the same subject. And in next semester, what you need to do, those things are also mentioned in that guideline. Am I clear, Batika? In this semester, the prototype will be different. You have to prepare kind of prototype, kind of model, which is just represent. Just a minute. So starting with 7047. Thank you. Tali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gaurav, just a minute. Let me share it. In this, that is already okay. Anas, you are marked present. Thank you. Gaurav, I have shared my number. You can get it from the screen.
Sir, 091 present.
Please wait. Your number will come. Please wait. Mitali, thank you. And Bhavin.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Bautik.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Raj.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Darshil.
Present.
Thank you, Fanny.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Elvish.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Ria.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Harshil.
Present.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Raj.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Gaurav.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Avni.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Poojan. Morning, Vartika.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Nesagi.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Hemali.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Yash Kumar.
Present, sir.
Thank you, Kevin.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Piyush.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Kunj.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Devin. Not responding. Nehil. Nehil. Not Jay.
Present.
Thank you. Anybody left?
Yes, sir.
Rahul,
Sure.
please write down your full. Rahul, please write down your full enrollment number in the comment box. Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Please wait,
Okay,
please
sir.
wait, please wait, please wait. Rahul, Rahul Kumar, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then Aditi,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Shilpi,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Sonakshi,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Sunita,
Yes, sir.
thank you. And Vipul,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Okay, now anybody left? Now anyone left? Okay, fine. So Aditi is having one query that can I go with environment, Enviro Media. It's kind of Facebook kind of website, but people can share events, photos, and news, etc. regarding environment. It will be helpful. Yes, it is also a good idea, Aditi. It is kind of a social media platform, but all the environmental related issues and good things, bad things, people can share. Yes, so you can go with it. And you can update that shared sheet also, Aditi. Fine, thank you so much.